guys are gonna be doing a vlog today. It's kind of late time right now. But anyways, I have my squishies with me, so that won't be a problem at all, ma'am. Anyways, I'm going to place the LOL dolls in the egg carton. I put the heads in an egg carton. Real hilarious when someone tries to throw it out, and I'll be like, "You threw out the LOL dolls! I'm going to nothing you! Yay!" Also, I'll put the bodies in. I think you go here, you go here, you go here. You go here, and you put the accessories in the right order in the same spot where they're supposed to go. Or your custom accessories, it doesn't really matter. Now, if you have lost a shirt to your LOL doll, make a headband. They're super adorable. Oh. This one can take little rubber bands. Use them as like hair pins. And close your egg carton. And you can collect your LOLs that way. Here, I'll show you. Whoa. This thing won't work. Here's the heads, I think. You're looking at them. Here's the bodies. Here's the accessories. And, I lost all the shoes to my... No, I didn't. They're just in the... Yeah, I did lose all of them. But you can tell me what to do because I'm going to cut my tongue. Hey guys, I lost my tongue. No, I didn't. Seconds. Woohoo! Bye, Emmy Christine fans. See you next time in the Panda vlog.